Up first this evening, while St. Vincent continues to be impacted by the volcanic eruptions from the La Soufrière volcano, other Caribbean islands are also being affected. In Barbados, the Grantley Adams International Airport has been ordered closed until 6 tomorrow morning because of the ashfall. This is not a snowstorm, but ash emanating from the La Soufrière volcano in St. Vincent and the Grenadines Friday night. This photograph from the UWI Seismic Research Center shows lightning from what it says is the ash column due to the volcano's highly charged nature. The volcano erupted for a fourth time around 5 a.m. Saturday, with a thick plume of ash now affecting neighboring islands, including St. Lucia and Barbados. The Barbados Met Service has since issued a severe volcanic ash and small craft warning for its citizens. Back in St. Vincent,
I'm actually fighting to face northwards. It's just a rapid flow of ash heading our way.
You know, whenever you go outside the vehicle, it's just really scary out there. I'm not a excuse me, a scaredy cat or anything like that, but the feel is something that like what you see in a end time movie.
And already there's been damage to property. Prime Minister Dr. Rav Gonsalves gave the confirmation as he spoke with residents Saturday.
The weight of this and the nature of this, mashing up houses already, you know, crashing the roofs, crashing the windows and doors. They're getting inside of the houses. It's a very serious problem. And the cleaning up of this alone is going to be massive.
In addition to the explosions, seismic activity has also increased. There have been reports of several tremors. The UWI Seismic Research Center says the volcano continues to be in an explosive phase that may last several days to weeks.
And we don't know how long this spewing is going to take place. The seismologists don't know in fact what the work they're doing. They're collecting samples. And through their testing, they're going to be able to give us some indication as to what do they think. Of course, it's not a precise science when you're doing these prognoses.
More than 15,000 people have been evacuated from communities close to the La Soufrière volcano, but despite repeated warnings, several people remain. The government says it will continue to make arrangements for them to be taken to safer ground.